If you never know, now you know. We not only do movies, we do any form of photo and videography service at Richard Brown Films. And if you have family members that can't attend your event, we will live stream it for you. So if you're in need of a professional video or photographer, reach out to us, man. Our number is on the screen, and you'll have a chance to meet some of your favorite actor and actresses at your event. So reach out to us, man, Richard Brown Films, and we can provide professional photo and videography service for you.
Hey guys, this is Stay West Store, best store in the West. You can come here and shop anytime and all the time, whatever time, okay? You get best customer service here. We are here for you. We treat you right. We talk to you nice. We are lovable and we talk to people very well. We love you guys. You can come and shop every time. Love you guys. We have everything in here for you. And remember, this is a movie, a act we act.
Yeah.
So we can't say anything. But different from that is the best tour in the West. You can come and shop at any time. Jeremy, as the new something them come here interfere with it. Watch out! We are interfere with this something for like you're a genius. I want to you, you're a genius.
Candy, you don't know what going on, man. A hot bread, this our everybody come in there and ask for. So we just get it.
A hot bread and you want to pop it up. So when them buy, then care about come say something wrong with it.
Look.
Leave it alone.
Look, you charge phone.
Leave it something alone. You're just storming.
See Bruce come there. Tapping nice, man. See my coming on, woman there.
You must find new customer out the road.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
All right, so everybody, this is Chantel. All right, and Chantel, this is my sister Candy, and this is my brother Jeremy.
Nice to meet you. You have a very nice smile, though. Which way you come from?
All right. Yeah, so now Chantel will. Well, on, man. Jeremy, relax yourself, no, man. Jeremy, relax, no, man. Chop.
Oh.
Chantel will be running off the daily operation of the store, and Jeremy, you will ensure that you fill her in.
Definitely.
Yeah, man, make sure you know the price of everything and make sure you know the items them. And also, I want to know too, she's my girlfriend. All right?
Really?
I go about you.
Then I could just tell you that when you come in.
No, man,
me there look at woman better.
No, that's why I'm not to relax. All right.
Me I go about you. All right, yeah.
Yeah, I want to talk to you. Hold on, I want to talk to you before you go bathroom. You can just make yourself, just look around and until Jeremy come. All right, just go and look around. Chantel, I want to talk to you. Come here. No, Chantel, go on, Chantel. Candy, go on, Candy. The reason why I stop you, because I know where you stay. I don't want you show Chantel no bad face. Listen, you have to understand. I need somebody like her that is computer literate and know how to monitor things on the computer so I can keep a track of the items that we sell and were needed. So I know you and Jeremy alone can't run the store. You understand? So I ask you, please, don't show her no bad face. And remember, say I'm a woman and I just somebody who run the store. Alright? Alright? We good? Alright, so here we are. May I go up on the road? Yeah, may I go up on the road. And remember, if you need any help, just show her anything and assist her. Alright? Alright.
Alright, Mr. Morris. I are the original driver, you know. So just do what I tell yourself you do. Drop off them something down at this one, some of them up at end and mall and some down at the other store down there. So. Alright? No take no talk from nobody, you know. Just do what I tell yourself you do. Drop off things them and don't stop at all. And no take no talk from nobody.
Okay, so that's it. That was the last one. All right? You're good to go now.
So yes, we can have a little date. Can have a little date. One little date. No man, Candy. Get up man and do something man. Look how your box and pack up in here so. And me and my spirit there all long and do everything. Eh?
You see me I play my game. You know see a torment do a Jeremy. You tap so I'm to a girl, when me cannot call her if he can help you.
So I work, she I work, I work, you I work, and me I work, and she I work, everybody I work.
Then look how much me do from morning. Me tired. Go and work man and go call she and stop call me. Wait till when time wait till Bruce come. Cause me I tell him say hold on no cock up this one your mouth is sitting then you know call up my name boy and me this and me that. What if me take few little minutes? Look how much time you go around about but sit down.
Little minute. I TikTok head up and
Look how me dead now. I me I play my game. Sure.
let me do what me I do. Look. Me I make sure say me collect for me paycheck.
You know, so from when I want to say this to you, but because we're so busy with destroy everything that we get to say it to you. You know, so I really appreciate the fact that you did it around the store. Since you've been there, like I feel like we make more money. I feel like things in order. So more infamous and I appreciate it.
Well, I'm happy for you. Say I appreciate the effort what me and put in. And an issue, you know. I enjoy working there. However, I really don't want it to be one issue, you know. So that's why I never mentioned it before. But I feel like your sister don't like me.
But why you don't say something like that?
Because her energy towards me just different. Like, it different from Jeremy. Jeremy welcome me and talk to me. You know, show me no bad vibes. But Candy, me no know.
Alright, yo. Candy can be a bit rough around the edges at times, but that's just Candy. She's not really a bad person or anything, so not really pure no mind. Alright?
I try my best to ignore her sometimes, but me know your sister, you know, she really do a lot.
Alright. Don't worry about it. If in case of anything and anything else happen, just let me know and I will talk to her.
You feel so she think me there if you take over and she not go.
Stop worrying about Candy. I feel like you overthink it. Yeah. Yeah man, just stop worrying about it. Don't make she be an issue. Just focus on the store, continue to do the good job what you do, and everything you do.
Yeah, well, hopefully we can come to an agreement one day then.
Alright. Hi, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Can I help you?
Yeah, just moved into my apartment and I'm looking at a few things, so just scanning to see what's here.
Well, you're at the right store now, because we sell everything from a pin to an anchor.
Oh, that's good.
What, so you want a microwave?
Yeah, I'm interested in the microwave, but looking at the rice cookers as well. Probably gonna get the smaller one because I don't need such a big size.
Oh, what? Small family?
I live alone.
Live
So
alone.
yeah, I live alone, so don't really require, the extra stuff.
Okay. All right. Well, what I can do for you, say you want the rice cooker and the microwave, I could give you the microwave complimentary.
Complimentary.
Yeah, I mean, I'm the owner of the store, so whatever I say goes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, man,
Okay.
I have actually 3 branch, two in Savannah, one in Montego Bay.
Well, that sounds good.
So you say you want this, right?
Yeah, I like this one.
Yeah, man.
You said the rice cooker and then this complimentary.
Yeah, man. Definitely.
Okay.
All right, so what I'm going to do, these are just for showcase purposes. I'm going to have one of the guys bring one from the storeroom for you, all right?
Okay,
Yeah,
that would be
man.
nice. Oh, I didn't get your name.
Yeah, Bruce Hardy.
Kimberly.
Kimberly?
Yeah.
All right, so I'll be back. All right, Kimberly?
All right, no problem.
Yeah. Jeremy. Jeremy. Asleep, you asleep? Bro, can me carry down from Mobi, if you help out in the store, and if you can't sleep,
Nah, sleep, man. I just them there, so nothing realize it.
All right, anyway, when you go in the storeroom and carry on a microwave for a nice young lady around the sucker. Yeah.
So none of the money on so.
No, man, then have to just showcase one from a nice storeroom for you. Because you are going. That one you have complimentary, 'cause she look good now. She kind of give me some nice good smile, like, you know me?
Boss, you can't do that, man. A business you're doing, man. That means me can't give you one night TV them then.
I mean, I own a few store, are you? Eh? One microwave now, do me nothing come. One for the microwave and just carry on. Alright?
You go buy every day.
One for the microwave.
You give woman microwave. What you're not even sure if one next man go warm up food in there.
Don't worry about that. One for the microwave.
Yes. You know what's up? I give you one thing. Like.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
No, some of the things I'm gonna eat some lunch. You want nothing?
You can get some curry shrimp and some peas.
Alright. Where else you can do for morning? She come?
No, she's not here. But Jeremy is though. He came early. He's at the back packing out some stuff. Also, the shipment that was supposed to come this morning, it's not here.
Alright, don't worry about that. Me just call him and find out what really are going on. And don't worry about my sister. Me we deal with her because I just feel like she'll take
Advantage.
yes. She'll take advantage of the situation. So don't worry about she. We deal with it.
Okay.
Alright? Alright, so I'll grab something and we bring back for you, alright? Candy, want to talk to you. Go on, want to talk to you. Come on, tap us someone, let me talk to you. Why can you guys know? What time of day now?
What do you mean what time of day now? Me just done eat my lunch.
Yeah, but
I did have to eat off my lunch before me come. I want 'em.
yeah, but Chantel tell me say no see you for morning.
See, same thing. That in my head, say a girl call me name to you. What is our problem? Me and brother and he come like I say I want this girl take over a place. Is she in charge?
Of course she in charge.
So me a what?
Yeah, my sister, yeah, work here.
No man, you not deal with me like me and some maid in this. This a girl at the round cashier I come go on like I say she have some big manager. Not because of your woman, bro. You have to talk to her, me your sister. She have to show me respect if she want respect for me. Look how much time she come and work late.
Candy, stop the foolishness. You see, whenever she come here late, I'm out and about to deal with business for you, so. So stop the foolishness, man.
But why the camera never show you say me come early this morning and nobody never there here and me have to left and go eat my lunch? Me can't stand up and dead feel hungry.
Alright. Me gonna make this slide. You're my bigger sister, And sometimes a family. So here me gonna make a slide.
Well, I talk about no family.
Take
Cause
your
you
time,
put the
man.
girl in front of me. Me no in a that right now. Till a long time say me have an ex friend figure. That girl they a criminal. She a thief. She want to come take over.
Yo, Candy, take time talking, man.
Which part she there? She there now?
You know, just pass her.
Me no see her, cause right now she invisible to me. Me no want to see her face.
You will. Just make we done this. Just go and start work. Please. Start work.
Y'all a make a girl a check off all her money and sitting. Me can't bother with it.
Don't.
Tell the girl if you no call up my name to you again. You hear me? I tell her come in no like her. Jeremy, wake up, man. You can't sleep, some of youth. You sleep too much. Wake up, man, and talk to you. Wake up, I should have sell your phone. You say you have your phone put on. Suppose one customer come in and come sit and take up your drop asleep. And so you work and get paid. Jeremy, you not hear what me I say?
Just a come and walk in.
Me not just a come and work. Me did down there so long time in a store I pack out something them. You hear that?
What's up me do from morning, man?
I see one customer could have come and thief your phone, you lay down and sleep. Your boy singing. You don't know say.
So,
What?
I want to you.
Me can't stand dirty Chantel, man. They come like a girl want to take over a place. She go like a she run things and a she buy the things them in here. And now we brother place, and we brother buy it.
So can you guess why attitude for what
Me don't like her. She carry too much news. Every minute she call me name to my brother. Me come and work late. And sick. None of my lunch me did I eat. Right now me grieve. Me don't like a girl style, you know, everything she chat.
Listen to me, man. You're a big woman, you know, man. If you left with them sitting there, man.
Left what?
Left them liquor sitting there. Them a behavior. You outgrow them stage, man.
So she a little pitney? She not big woman and sense and know say she fi tap can use. If me gonna eat me lunch, when me come nobody not there here.
Candy, me know how you stay. A gambling house here I come from. Gambling house.
Me not gamble, me did I eat me lunch. For true, God know, this a time I me name the gamble.
Hear me I say. It's a nice girl. You know, sister saying she come here. We used to have little sense and get the place together.
You know, look here, Jeremy, me and your brother and sister, and we and Bruce are brother, but you look like you're an idiot. You look like a looky girl. Eh? We are take up for your girl for. And I take up for Bruce, like I say. Me and your sister too, you know, so like with me I say no make sense. Look how much time she come here late.
That's why they say family and business not work,
You know business where you want to say.
Look, it's a work, she a work, you know.
I work too, you know. I'm hungry, and I come and I don't see nobody, so I go buy my lunch and come and sit down. So you look like I say you and them when you sit down in a one big old conversation and talk about me. And then act like you asleep.
Yeah,
so when I call you not answer.
Candy, just go and go do the dusting down when you come and work for the man you're there. So you answer me, man. What I'm to you?
You know feel say girl take away Bruce money. And a girl man and sit. Another day me pass the girl in a big Chris car with man cock up foot and sit.
Listen to me, you can't judge people, so you can't just there and tell them.
So you want to tell me say a girl have her personal man and she feel in a next man car cock up foot, so you know feel say man that the man there and sit me see him with me 2 eye. And I lie me I tell. And when she done she come and go on like she a miss goody with my brother. And that Bruce go find out. And you think me you see you know, you say hello. You alright, you know, because somebody
you
look.
Say, I man, I can't cousin, you know.
Cousin, a 2 you look somebody, you look like you pick up for a girl, you're one of them.
So I was calling you the other day, you know. What happened?
You know, when I'm in one thing of it, it's like work. So I hardly even pay phone attention.
Oh boy.
Yeah, but you don't have to worry about that, because guess what? I have somebody up here running off the store now for me, so I have all the time in the world.
Oh, that's good to hear. You know, you can be more this side a bit more often.
Yes.
So that's a plus.
Yeah, let's walk.
Sure.
And I was also thinking that since I have somebody running off the store and I have some time on my hand, so I might just take a little mini vacation. But you know, a vacation is not a vacation if you take it by yourself. So I was wondering if you would love to.
I mean, I haven't taken a vacation in a while, so I guess that wouldn't be so bad. I've been exhausted from all the moving and everything, and my body really needs the rest, so.
Yeah, you deserve it. Let's walk and look at a few more things because I don't know if you see anything else that you want.
Yeah, oh, well, I will take a look, but thank you so much for the fridge, the stove, the microwave, and all the other things that you gave me. It's
Yeah.
really making the place come together.
Jeremy,
Yeah, man.
want a minute. Just take a little break off already. Want to chat to you about something.
Yo, you did know said this a toolkit yeah. Zin, you have it come with a tester in it.
Then Jeremy,
As
I mean, order them, you know. I know everything will come in height. I mean, I just,
it's a good anybody buy this brother, me tell you say it's a good buy.
you know, yeah, anybody buy it. It come with
This
everything.
come
All
like
hammer.
as a first aid kit.
First, you fit.
For your house,
You don't know.
car and everything.
All right. Yeah, man. So you are going to know. You know, say I'm a brother. So I suppose you can't tell her any little thing. And you just hold it down. See?
I mean, man.
So you are going to know. You remember a little nice little brownie when you come in the store and they give me TV and something.
Oh yeah, that little brother in there.
Yeah, man. You are going to know. You know, say me and she up on a little level.
She'll get good vibes.
Me and she up on a level, man. So you are going to know. Want to take one little main vacation. You know, one little small one, mini one.
So what I mean, mini car. I say I work I go on man.
Yeah,
We
man. So,
alone can't do it.
yeah, man. So you are going. Me have you there. Candy there, Jutta there, and Chantel. So you all want to keep people around the store, man. So me not worry about nothing. So here what I go on, you know. Me not really tell nobody where me are going. Me I go left my phone and thing, but I ensure so you have my woman number. So but me don't want you to call me still, you know. You understand? And don't tell nobody when me call. See?
I simple thing that man. I simple thing that man.
Yeah.
Just go enjoy yourself, man. So what on this? So what to Chantel?
Yeah, man, Chantel now if you know what I go on. Chantel good man, Chantel good at man. I have a store and everything, but
Yeah,
him
but
good.
what you tell herself when you go? What you tell herself?
Don't worry about that. When the time come and me know if you tell him, so that good man.
Remember say Chantel live, you know.
Don't worry about that, man.
Well, alright, Mr. Hardy. Alright. Now your brother, but
So, all me I say just make sure say you keep it under wraps.
a simple thing, man. Just do the right thing, man, and enjoy yourself. You understand?
Yeah, man, I make sure say everything run good at store now.
Yeah, man. When you deal with her, you call me name. Because she look good.
Alright.
She look good.
Yeah, let's take a little 5.
I'm tired. I think it's kind of slow. So I can't take a five.
Then, me know you go. You know somebody I pre say, me go run gas have go sort out the shipment. Can you remember say when I tell me say the shipment not come in?
Mm-hmm.
Me I forgot gas have go deal with it because I know me not hear no good news about it.
Mm-hmm. You can go tomorrow.
No, me no want me no want if it wait too long. Cause the longer I wait, me probably not hear nothing about it. So me have to go gas have go deal with it.
Yeah, but tomorrow would be. When you planning to go?
Right now?
What do you mean no? Look at
Right.
the time. It's so late at 5:30.
Yeah, but my time don't really matter, man. I just want to go deal with it. I just want to go link with me for link and arrange up everything so shipment can come in. And probably if I go now, it possible by a man the shipment there. No worry about it, man. We just keep you posted while me depend me and everything. We just WhatsApp you.
So when you come back?
Probably as me done deal with him, maybe if I not and if time run up and me have to sleep over, me just stay around and get so still a morning. But me sure so me might come back in the night, man. Don't worry yourself, man. We are worried about.
I'm not worried about anything, but it's strange. Why you want to go so late? Why not early? You know, it's fine. You don't
No,
have to
yeah, overthink. Don't worry about it.
Yeah,
You
maybe
have to
my
deal with it, man.
overthink.
Your money shipment have to deal with. We need the goods, you know.
I know.
Right. So that's why me at it. You know me as a man, me always depend on top of things. See? Me just deal with that quick and fast and come back. Alright? As me reach a sub, me call you.
Okay,
And if you need help to lock up, just ask me, brother. I
yeah,
me know Candy stay. Just ask me, brother. Alright? Give me a hug, man. Sure. Come here, man. Sure. You know me love you, right? Alright. So, later then, you hear?
Okay.
Alright, so text me or me, we call you.
Hi, Jeremy.
What going
What?
there?
The internet come back up?
No flow things there. They come like they might turn off the internet when time they see people there want walk, you know.
Ah, boy. So, what do you mean for access up, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna see your brother.
No. No.
You sure?
We don't see him.
Because I haven't seen him for the past 2 days. Him did mention to him I got at a store, a Sava. We go check out some miss up shipment. Because it was supposed to come to this location, but I think Sav get it. But me not hear from him not call, him not come home, nothing.
Bruce. Long time I don't see him either, you know. I'm not even know. You know what that man that stay. Not even carry phone with him man.
No,
Oh, I don't know. He probably don't have the goat pen, you know.
he's not there.
So long. They had him sleep at night time. What if you don't know your Bruce?
Listen, this is why I never mention it, you know. And this is why I'm hesitant because me know it look one way.
You look away. You know how that the man that stay when he go up on the road, you know.
Be serious now, Jeremy. Listen, you know normally when you go to spend 1 or 2 days. 2 days gone a long time. This man no call me, him no text me nothing, no update me. No know if the shipment then come, I don't know what's going on.
You know, a man and woman, and my brother, I mean, I want to get involved in no business. When Bruce is so come, man. You know, see, if I did nothing serious, we are probably hear about it already. I rather go on Papa News. And Bruce will come.
Well, it's not as easy for me because I mean I go home to an empty house and I can't call him because he's leaving phone like me say. So I got worry, I'm a worry. I'm worried right now. Why you want to take it so light though?
Because me not think of nothing serious way I be something you overreact in a real life.
Alright, maybe me overreact.
Where
Maybe.
the thinking missing?
Yes, the kind of I don't know.
Look, me think you overreact.
You're right. Maybe me overreact. Me I'm probably call one of the employees at Sava and check it out.
I want on your mouth to sing them in my brother's store for water and
It was paid for. It's okay. It was paid for.
what? Me not talk to you, no girl. Where my brother there? Where Bruce?
Well, it's what we are trying to figure out now.
Girl, I know you may talk to you, know. Every time me I say something to my brother, you're both denied.
Can it stop it, man? Stop it, man. No sound good. A business place and it's customer.
No customer no in here. They not listen to me. Then they way around this so. They know they are sub. Where Bruce there? What happened to Bruce? Where in there?
That's what we were trying to find out. Can
Me I call you phone and me can't.
Just come in our place. So can they stop it, no man?
How kind of conversation you and she they want every time?
She a try to say Bruce is missing. And we just that's just say. That's what we're trying to find.
And you take that for nothing at all. And now we brother.
But wait, what could happen to Bruce?
No, me not trust this a girl for a long time. Who to tell her for now she set up my brother because he have in business
Candy,
place. The man come broke.
Candy, no man. Look, no man, Candy man. You can't draw the allegations upon people, man.
So how you have your man and you don't know your man there? Eh?
Candy, calm down. Let's not do this in the store. We have customers. Like me and say, he said he was going to stop to pick up to start with some miss up shipment. And then if you heard some shipment was supposed to come to Montego Bay, but it went to Sava. Normally he's there for 1 or 2 days, 2 days past, me not hear from him. So I try to figure out what's going on now.
Me need to know I go on cause me a call him phone how much day now and can't get him. So me not understand how you have a man and don't know your man. Me not understand this and my brother own him. I my owner for this. So look, I take you and take over.
Look, if I know if tomorrow
no, me I go call the police. Me have to report this.
No, you can't.
Thanks for coming.
If tomorrow come,
yes.
If tomorrow come truck and we return, we make a report.
Hello,
right?
Jeremy. Are we brother, you know?
3 days.
3 days whole heap of day more than 24, more than 48 hours that.
Yes, but listen to me. We have to be rational, you know. Look, calm down, everybody. If tomorrow come 6 o'clock and Bruce not come back, then we can make a report. We can't just go make a report. We can't
Jeremy, you know what you're saying a 3 day gone? Me have to go to police station go report him. You know, no joke on my brother that. You look like I said you uncle love Bruce money, you know, you.
Bruce and my brother too.
Are your brother too, but you not put on no effort and miss me. Me don't know if he did or alive.
Calm down. Calm down.
You don't even know what happened. What happened? Let's just find out what happened. That's all I'm saying. Let's just find out.
Look here, I want to talk to you. Just come here, I want to talk to you. And you, nobody come in at this.
Oh.
You're no family.
All right, Chantel, as I'm saying, let's not do anything stupid, all right? 3 days time, if you not come in, we call the police, all right? No, me not feel like nothing doing. In my heart, me not feel like nothing doing.
It's fine. Me take over till I come back.
All right. If you say me come up, I'm going to run, so I'll link Stacy, because
It's okay.
Candy, if you stop here, you know, man. Why you can't be yourself with the girl right there, so? Eh? This don't look good, man.
Listen to me.
What you
Call
want
if
to
you
talk
talk
to
to
me?
you, you come and come tell me about wanna look good. Wanna look good. You know, say we brother missing for 3 days. You gotta tell me about wait until one next day again. You know why me believe say he missing me and call him much and me can't get his phone. No, me can't hear one news still. Look here. What kind of story this sound tell me about brother missing?
Listen.
Eh? And she look comfortable on her face like I say, I don't know nothing if my brother missing. And her man. And you and her cock up in there. So what? You my brother missing and look her. How what this?
Why? It's every night could have done there.
Make it Tony.
Yeah, me I say, just low the girl alone, man. Stop making place a toxic, no candy.
Nothing to me brother. She not take charge and nothing in there. That me I tell you. Okay. That me they tell you.
So that did come if you tell me?
Yes, me call if you tell her saying you nothing to me brother for real. She not take charge and responsible for nothing in there. Cause no girl not be me boss.
Alright, Candy. Just go and go do what you do, man. Come, Mr. Morris. Come and get about this.
It's been a long time since I haven't seen such a beautiful sunset.
Yeah, it's a really nice view.
Mm-hmm. So let me ask you though, because I never really ask you if you don't want any kids, you know. You don't want kids?
Well, I mean, if I meet the right person, I might take it into consideration, but I never really thought about it before.
So you don't you think I could be the right person?
One step at a time. I mean, we just met, so. But yeah, for the right person, I'll have kids.
So how many are you looking at?
Maybe 2.
2? That's good.
What are you thinking?
Yeah, maybe 2 or 3, but not more than that.
Okay.
Yeah, when you have too many kids,
I mean, for me, I have to be married before I have kids.
that's not bad. I will be practicing until I'm married.
So yeah.
Mm.
But do you have any kids though?
No kids as yet.
That's good. That's good. That's not bad.
Yeah, but cheers to a weekend of fun. Yeah.
But tell me something. How is it that you can come on vacation? Who is running off the store for you?
Oh, my brother and my sister.
Really? I didn't really meet them.
You will in the right time, but more so my brother than my sister though. My sister can be a handful.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Still like to meet her anyway.
Mm-hmm.
My
Right.
family usually likes me, so looking forward to meeting them.
No, once the time is right. Yeah.
So tell me something. How is it at like a self-made businessman like you, handsome, well put together and everything, single?
How should I put this? I think I haven't just found the right persons yet.
The right person.
Yeah.
So you've been searching?
Not really. Not really.
Oh.
Not really.
So I guess it's just coincidence that we met then.
Yeah. Maybe it's just a blessing.
We'll see. Only time will tell.
You like that one, sir?
How this make out of plastic or metal?
Sir, I did not make the machine, that's how we order it. You want the machine?
May I look, man, may I look. So me have to plug in when me a wash it? Or I want the...
Sir, the machine don't use battery.
No.
And an automatic way, you just put in a sun like a solar.
So this is a
Listen.
fully automatic washing machine?
Yes, and you know what I mean. Don't carry me around. Sir, do you need this machine? It's a good one. You can buy it.
How much is it?
You don't see price, sir?
How much you see price? Me not even see no price pan it. You can't tell me price?
125,000.
Jesus Christ, that expensive, man.
Sir,
How much they want now?
hold on
Cause
there. A friend down there, so me they follow behind you and they tell your price. You look
No.
like I said. Wait, I never send you in this a story.
so why are you
look
with me?
here,
Sir?
me
I'm a
can't-
customer,
look
you know.
Look here. Me can see say you don't have no money from you come through the door. Because you just ask pure question. How much is this? How much is this? When me tell you the price, you ask one next one. Sir, me not have no
No,
more
cause
energy for waste.
son a shop, me a shop. Alright, listen to me, man. The one that
You
look
can
too.
take that one there. That one is a nice one. Maybe you can afford this one. It's 65,000 for it.
That sound good, but it can't. It look liquid though. One when me can wash enough jars, you know, cause my woman have beer jars and she want me wash them with my hand, you know. I mean, not do that, you know.
That is your personal business. I want to make people disrespect you. All that concern me. You and your woman jars and machine. You
No.
want the machine or you don't want it?
What just for this?
Jesus Christ, we say 65,000, sorry. Look like you not have no money. You come in here so for contaminate me. You can't go and let me talk to somebody else. We have only a customer in here. You waste my time. You can't.
You know what? Me not take any disrespect, you know. Me come here to buy when me a buy. Me a ask you how much she machine them. I disrespect me.
Me tell you the price. Cash
Me not
or
bother
card.
buy
Which
no.
one you go use?
Me no bother. Where your manager there?
You not ask me that. You better you go and where I go. Sorry, you waste my time right now. I fix up with something. Then you can't waste my time. I don't have no time to do that right now. You waste my time on what?
Customer
Hi, welcome to Stairways. I apologize for that. I overheard the conversation. Again, I would like to apologize. That's one of our employees. That's not normally how we do things here. Maybe she's having a bad day.
Miss, yeah, manager.
Yes, I can talk to me.
You need to talk to her because she's very disrespectful. You know. Me can't come here and buy one machine and me ask her price and she be disrespectful. You know.
I'm sorry about that. Are you still interested in the washing machine?
Yeah, because the price not too bad, so we can get a little discount.
Well, yes, we could compensate you for the disrespect because we don't normally treat customers like that. It would be bad for this information to go.
Alright, thank you. If you can give me a discount, we'll come tomorrow.
Okay, well,
Yes.
tomorrow, when you come, just ask for Chantal. I'll assist you.
Alright, because me like it things them down there, you know, stay west.
Okay, thank you. That's the third time in one day. That's not okay. Why you would have talked to one customer like that? We're here to make money, not to run away the customer. Acknowledge my presence, because me I talk to you.
What you say?
When
Where you come about?
I overheard the conversation with you and the customer.
So? So what? What that have to do with you?
I'm confused. Listen, I don't know what's going on with you. I don't know if you're having a bad day, if you're having personal issues, but you can't bring it to the workplace. You understand that?
And what you gonna do about it? Like or you don't like it? Listen, may I talk to the customer? I am not talking to you. So me don't know how you catch around here, so.
You understand that this
At
is
your
a...
place? Yeah, my brother there. That no means if you can talk to me any and anyhow. You get it? You get it in your thick brain?
Listen,
Oh.
I wasn't trying to be rude, but you have to understand to this your brother business. If you run with the customer, them owe man make
Me
money.
nah run away customer. You hear when my big mouth I say, but you not hear what the idiot broke pocket man attack run and so not true every minute. How much
You
for that?
can't tone down
How
because
much
you
for
have
that?
other
How
customers.
much for that? How much for that? And me I tell him the price man he still dey nag me. Me king go long out, you can't know when they nah no money when come in and so far.
Candy, you need to have patience with the customer. You know, have no
Me see
customer
enough
service.
customer come in here and them buy and them like the price. That the man look like a thief. I
It
think he come
doesn't
to thief.
hurt
He
to
no come to buy
iShop.
nothing.
Nobody no charge people for iShop. It's fine if him just want to know the price and check out what's going on. That's okay, you know.
Chantel.
Candy.
The amount of energy where the man take out of me right here, so just to ask me how much price for the same thing them over and over and over and over. You know, if you say me, I'll get ignorant and mad.
Why you wanna get ignorant of man power? Do it after him walk out.
You
not
do
while.
good customer service. Why, when you see him enter through the door, you never assist him?
Because
Where you
that's
come
what
around and
you're
suffer?
here for. I was already assisting
The whole
someone.
of we are working here, my love. So if you say me have fault with the customer, them take over. Because that you come for do through you and my brother. You feel say me afraid of you. Which part they go? You better you just leave me alone. You hear me I tell you? And go on about your business. Me don't want you to correct me. Go on where you go. Because I not work for you and you not pay me. Go along where you go. You cannot be my boss. A matter of fact, me, I go take over. Me, I go in charge of everything. Because you not run this. You understand? Oh. So I know you come around and say come go on like a manager and supervisor and instructor. Don't talk to me, girl. Oh, who to tell? Remember me want you already, you know. Me want you, Chantel. Me want you already, but me brother when me see you, me say, you hear it dirty Jeremy. Hey, you see Jeremy I come chat like I look him and look you. Me see him I come chat about I just 3 days now, so we can wait until me just wait until the one more day and say me no go to station. All you straight to prison they go.
Candy, stop it.
And me I take over in here, so you can't talk to me. Oh, look here. Yes, when my brother they build this, where you went there? You never exist in our life. And you come go on like you want to run things in here, so. So better you go on. If you want to go tell Jeremy that I feel your business, because you and Jeremy come like a, I don't know if you say. You can go on now, because I mean, no more chattings with you now. Go on which party they go. And next time when you see me I talk to no customer, don't come to me, girl. It's not me tutor. Don't tutor me. Oh.
Never once have I ever approached you in a disrespectful way. I've never done that to me certain. Me hear everything what you just say. Me not gonna debate. I'm not gonna run you down. Me just want you to understand your brother is not here right now. At the end of the day, I am the manager. Me have to make sure some money come in. Yes, and me have to make sure the business run properly. You cannot deal with a customer like that. You have to keep up with name. We're known for good customer service and the best prices. Just don't make this repeat itself. That's all me ask you, please. Do it for your brother. You don't have to do it for me. Fine.
I feel like I don't want this week to end.
It's really been an amazing week.
True.
I really had a great time with you.
Me too.
I was actually surprised at how good this was.
True.
You know, a lot of things were very unexpected.
That's how life is. You know, sometimes things are unexpected.
That's true.
Yeah.
Me have to play on a song. Turn the lights down low and pull your window curtain. Oh, let the moon come shining into our lives again. Saying, ooh, it's been a long, long time. I get this message for you, girl. But it seemed I was never on time. So now I'ma get it to you, girl. Time, yes. I wanna give you some love. wanna give you some good loving. Whoa, 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 I wanna give you some good loving. Turn the lights down low. Never try to resist, oh no. Oh, let my love come tumbling into our lives again. Singing, ooh, I love you. And I want you to know right now, yes, I wanna give you some love. I wanna give you some good loving. Whoa, 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 I wanna give you some good loving. I wanna give you some love.
Good day, officer.
Good day, how you doing?
Not so good.
What's going on now?
I come to file one report about my missing brother.
Why you believe your brother is missing?
Alright. I done see him few days ago. And me I try to call him. The phone not ring, me no know what happened, no answer. I don't know if I did him phone dead or what. But my brother love him business. He have one business I run and he love money. So he wouldn't just disappear so for no reason not ever try to get in touch with me as his sister. And we have one next brother too. Yeah, so I try I run the business, but I fee him it.
Yeah.
Yes, I feel the one who missing business. But I don't understand how him not get in touch with you and we can't get in touch with him. We are call the phone not ring.
So hold on, is the first this happening? Is the first time this is happening?
I first time. I never seen him ever missing like this before. Normally, if he go anywhere, he make we know say him a go there so or whatever and he da come back already. But me kind of suspect one woman we have.
One woman he have.
Yes, him have one woman we work at the store where we work too. And since my brother missing, she a going like she want to take over. We can't touch nothing in her store. She a talk to one kind of way. She a fire people them too. Yeah. And they tell me about my brother not there again and she run things. You can't do certain things in there again. All of them something there. And every minute me see she dey on phone and make phone call and anytime she see me a come, she take time and I whisper and they ask me when me I do this if me not see her on her phone. Like she a talk to somebody who know about me missing brother.
So your
Suspect her.
your brother and this young lady, are they having problems? You know of them having any problems or anything like that?
They not no problem.
So why you believe that should be the reason why he's missing?
Because she act different from when my brother did dead.
How different? What you mean?
Like normally she never used to go on. So the only thing she used to do, I carry news to my brother and me send me and come and work late and when me gone for lunch and when he pass it. No. A different move she depend. Like she own the place. I mean notice how she a go on from my brother miss me, you know. Like she glad. She no feel sad, she no, you know some woman under there ball and them make phone call and seek out. Not even report she no come. Officer me a better right now say she no come down here come report nothing. I first news this still. And I me carry come down here. God know if another girl them make my brother miss something wrong.
So you sure it's not your brother just fed up our ham down at the store and
Say
just
what?
decided to take a little vacation?
No, my brother happy and alright and he have everything. You hear me tell you say he love money and he love in business. He wouldn't just gone so no officer. I know some of my brothers stay. He no come down that way there.
Alright. What is the name of this young lady?
Chantel Sinclair
And any idea where I can find her?
at Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. At this store in Montego Bay.
Okay. Alright, tell you what, I'm going to look into the matter. We'll make a note of your report and I'll look into it. I'll start looking for what's your brother's name?
My brother named Bruce Hardy.
Bruce
Yes.
Hardy?
Yes.
Alright. You remember what he was wearing the last time I saw him or anything like that?
I remember his color clothes when he did have one, but
Give me a brief description of him.
him have dark complexion and he hair lock. And
Hair lock. Not so
kind of
tall.
not so tall and not so short.
Okay. Alright.
Maybe him have 5 foot something.
Okay, no problem. So we'll look into the matter and I'll visit the young lady when I'm further in my investigation. So
Officer, when you come down there, cause every
I'll
time
be there shortly, man.
you know how much police say that?
No.
We are look for them and
We treat missing persons cases very seriously. And as I said, it has been more than 48 hours since he has been missing. So this is a matter of urgency. So I'll act on it right now.
Find much time.
Jutta,
Yeah.
come here then. I want to talk to you. When you go around in the storeroom, go take out something for me. When you carry them, come right here, so.
I'm on my lunch break, me I go par, man.
Eh?
I'm on lunch break, me I go par.
You go on your lunch break? Who tell you say you can't take lunch now? Me I send around in the storeroom for something you can tell me say you go on lunch break.
Lunchtime.
Oh, lunchtime? You know them from morning?
Me no eat nothing for morning.
So me if you serve you and send you for lunch when me want you go around in the storeroom for something, and so you go in this place of my youth. And my brother place.
I
But
go
I
pan
me run
lunch,
things
come
in here.
hungry,
So.
what me-
You don't talk with me, I talk. You need to listen. That's why you not learn how much time you in the same kind of talking. My youth
Me I
go
go-
around in the
me
store.
I go pan
Hello,
lunch.
hello,
Me I
hello.
go pan lunch.
You see why I not like you? You see from the first day my brother hire you, me hate you from that day, me not like you. Right now I fire you. But your lunch. You hungry brother me? So me no want lunch to eat too.
Nobody not go like me. No.
Listen to
me
me,
I go
man.
pan lunch.
It's either you go for the lunch or you go around and storm for the something. A matter of fact, no bother go for it. You're fired. Go on and my brother place this and I me run this. You better you go on. Go on and not come back and work, you know. It's a now go like what me I go do to you. You think me not joking with you? You make me count to 10.
Wait.
Call the police. Oh, you know what?
Rent board.
Hello.
About that.
Me no business
Nobody
with
is being fired. What's going on?
you. What you mean nobody's being fired? That who you?
Tell us me I go pan lunch. Me no eat
Which
nothing
lunch?
for morning.
Who tell you finna name from morning? Why you want eat now when me want send you for something? I want to you.
Can they come down?
Mayu, come out. Cause right now, somebody they call me when they did ask me for a job from yesterday. So go on. You out of this right now.
Give me 1
I'm my
minute.
brother place. What you say?
Candy is entitled to his lunchtime.
Really?
What do you mean?
At this time when me want him to go for something for me? Who you?
Who authorized you for fire nobody?
Who authorized you to come and speak to me in this manner? This place is for my brother. Remember, you're in girl, you're not your wife.
Oh my God.
That me I tell you straight.
Candy, you go too far now.
Far?
Yeah, overstep your boundaries. What is
What shall
wrong
go on
with
so
Look
far?
here. Go on where you go. Can you come like a look here, look, Jutta? Hey, me say, if my brother fish up right now, they tell you how much man me see with that. That me I tell you. Where you come here so about? I want, you know name neither. You want to go on your lunch? You know, come back with no story today. Say me come in late and me gone for lunch and this and that. Fake news for me. You come in at people business. This concern you. Leave it alone. I know you're a place and me come to take over now. And if you don't mind, chap, I'll do me fire too. I want you.
Candy, you cannot continue like this. Say,
Don't call me name, girl. Me don't know your friend now. Me don't know my brother pick you up and clear come in place. You come take things. Say, I you run things and come to take over. How?
Them type of attitude in the work.
Me go call the police. Say, here's if you go on. You look like you deaf.
Just go for your lunch. I will deal with Candy. Candy, I really can't understand why you're acting like this. Why you behaving like
You
this?
don't need to understand nothing when me just say to you.
Chantel, you're under arrest.
Excuse me?
Good afternoon, ma'am. You're under arrest for...
Wait, I'm on the arrest for what?
You're wanted for questioning.
For what?
You're wanted for questioning for Mr. Hardy. Your boyfriend that is missing? Would you like to go down to the station with us like this in the conversation? Here?
So why are you putting handcuffs on me?
You don't have to do the handcuffs, ma'am. I'm sorry about that. Coming down to the station with me?
I will volunteer to go.
Okay, well, let's
Watch her
let's go.
and she will run.
Boy, oh boy.
Hold on there. Hold on there. What going on, sir?
Ask
Hold on,
your
man.
sister, because me myself don't know what's going on.
I mean,
So, where I go?
Don't I
I'll go down to the station.
Oh, poor. What happened?
ask your sister.
Yeah.
What do you mean, ask me, sister? Yo, officer, what is?
Hi.
Candy. Come on, man. I walk one.
Where you coming and so I can lick down the place for you too?
Police, I go away with the girl. I want him. Me just turn me back.
Why you never stop the police or the girl and ask her where police gone or with her for? I mean, you come a question about people. Where you going? No ask me nothing.
The girl just tell me if you come ask you.
That she say. So she really want me to tell you, okay, me just call police for her. Yes.
What do you mean you call police man? What she do?
What you mean what she do? My brother missing. Your brother not missing. I know it was brother. So okay, you tell me if you not report it. So me if you just stand so back and don't report it. I lie I tell her my brother
Candy.
ain't missing.
Candy. Me talk to you already. I'm telling you, I have this under control. What you gonna call police for?
What kind of control you have here and I know my brother can come back? You're mad, Journey. You is a mad brother. You is a mad brother. We brother missing. And you know want me report it? I must see you taking life. Why you know want me report it? What is the problem?
Me did tell you say man unalive.
Well, me can't find him in a long time now. And he's supposed to come back already and now me can't see him. So you and the girl make up. Can no want to take over in here so? Well, police gone with her. Go on down the station too. I might call police for you too.
Candy, hear me I tell you say. Me tell you say the girl everything under control and it's like you know no patience.
From my brother gone. Everything where you say under control, nobody under control, it depends on top of it. Nothing under control in here.
Candy, and for your place, you know?
How for place? Friend of my brother place, a for me place, and a for your place. You say you idiot? You know no sense. So you want girl to come take over you and them, and then you know what you do with my brother. Because you me tell a long time say you looky girl. You, why you take off your girl? Police gone with her. What is your problem?
You know what I'm telling you truth. Me know where Bruce there, but Bruce have enough to tell him no. And this is why me never need.
You can't trick me. Mind what you say to me. And nobody with your lied mouth. Call you me, we fire you too.
Come like say, Candy, what do you mean fire me? Me a fear place?
I feel we place, but you're going like a fear. Friend of my brother place, I feel we place. Cause me and you and him are brother and sister, but you're going like you don't want me say nothing in here, so like you want to have a talk. I want to know.
You alright.
You not touch me.
You alright.
Move man. Don't ask me if me alright.
Candy, what all of this for?
Where my brother there? He can look like I know your brother. Where my brother there? How he can come back all now? And he no miss no. What happened? What is the problem?
Say, the man good, the man good. Don't worry about it. The man
What you
good.
mean,
Just
man
good. Listen to me. Me tell you something, I have this under control. Right? Stop worrying yourself no Candy.
I think you can control yourself, but yeah. Me no want hear nothing from you. You better you go on and leave me alone. Police done gone with her already. Where you go do?
Me have to go be alive.
Then you no go on. And she come back in and me fire her again.
God no Candy. Me no like what you do.
What do you mean?
Me no like it.
So, hold on there. So, a same way, if my brother never disappear and just gone and friend fi come back, you don't make girl come take over place. Go on this party I go. No girl not rolling there so.
Which part you there?
What do you mean with you today?
Me
Fired that the idiot the long time in Ghana yard.
Jesus.
He name too much, but he hungry.
Candy, where you fire people for?
Me a send him round a back for something and him a tell me about him want go for lunch. Who tell him fi no name from morning? I know me.
Candy, you never hire the man. Where you fire him?
And my brother hire him. That means from my brother hire him, me hire him too.
Oh man, Candy, come for us, man. Take a little break.
Don't touch me. Where you carry me go?
Take a little break, man. Cause you do too much. You do too much. Come.
Me want, where you call me for? You buy me a juice? Cause me no know where you call me out here so far. What?
Come, just go and take a break. Come.
Me tell you I'm tired.
Them sitting here, Candy.
Me no want you friend me up. Me no want you friend me up. And me run things in here so it no matter what you say or do, me no this what you want to say.
No, me have to go to a station and go be a girl.
You no go long down there.
Hello?
Can I talk to Bruce?
Hardy? Hardy? Hello? Who is this?
Yo, Bruce, I be a problem, brother.
Yo, hold on. Yo, me not tell us a vacation, me depend on call me for. Brother, me don't tell you already, man, so no call me a vacation, me depend on. So me left my phone now, man.
Brother, I serious things are going on in my place now,
No,
man.
listen, man, me soon forward, look more.
You hear me, I say, brother, just listen to me now.
Wait.
Yo, Jesus Christ.
Alright, so Chantel, you are aware why we're here, right?
To some extent, yes.
Okay, so my apologies of coming down to the store like that today, but we got a report and you're aware of what is taking place?
Yes.
Okay, so I wanted to bring me up to speed based on your side of the story. So what is happening?
Officer, I don't know what's going on. I have no clue what is going on. As it relates to you bringing me here, I don't know why I am at the station. However, my spouse went missing a couple of days ago. My figure say that some decide to come voluntarily. I don't know why you bring me up here.
Oh, so wait a minute. Your spouse go missing and you did not report it?
No, because I spoke to her. So, him have more than one businesses, right?
Uh-huh.
Him have one in Montego Bay and one in Sav. We were supposed to receive a shipment in Montego Bay. The shipment got mixed up with the stores, I guess, and him decided to go Sav, go sort it out. Normally when him go Sav, he spend a couple of days or Sav. Somebody decided to say, me figure say he just not done sort out yet. That is why him not come back. I spoke to the brother, him say normal something. Him always do it. I don't know nothing else.
So this seems normal to you?
No, I was a bit worried, but like Mr. Me talk to the brother and him say, everything alright.
Chantel, you don't seem worried to me. As a matter of fact, you seem very nonchalant about this whole situation.
Because I'm running a business, I can't act like I have no sense. I have to hold my composure. I'm here and have the business since he's not here.
So what if this man is dead? What's his name again?
Hardy, Bruce Hardy.
Mr. Hardy. What if Mr. Hardy is dead? What is going to happen?
Officer, let's not go there. I know he's not dead.
Okay, so you know for a fact he's not dead, right?
I don't... He's not dead.
Chantel, is there something that you need to tell me that I don't know? You know? What is that?
There is no... I'm not withholding any information.
I didn't say you're withholding any information, you know.
But you're asking.
Right, I'm just curious. Because you did not come here and report the matter. You seem very nonchalant about the whole situation.
Honestly, I tried calling his phone multiple times. The night when he decided to go by the store in Sav, I tried calling him, never pick up. When we reach home, I realized him left the phone at the house. The next day, I talked to the brother, him and say everything good. I speak to the brother after that, him say everything good.
So, alright. Who is in charge of the business right now?
Me.
You're in charge.
Right.
And you have no issues so far operating the business while Mr. Hardy is missing?
No, because basically, me did not manage the business, so me understand everything already.
Are you guys having some problems at home?
Officer, like I said earlier, there's nothing wrong. And this is why, but like I said, when I go to the brother, right, he must say, don't worry about it, Chantel, we'll soon come, everything good and normal, something for him.
Chantel, you keep on stressing about this brother. Are you guys involved?
Excuse me? Officer, that's an insult. Oh, you fear things that me and the brother in a something?
I'm not sure. You keep saying the brother as if you know that everything is okay. Or I don't know what is taking place here, you know. Because you're the girlfriend and you're talking about your brother and
I refuse to entertain whatever it is that you're saying now. Let's focus on Bruce.
Okay, Miss Chantel. Alright, tell you what. I'm gonna just ask you to surrender all your travel documents. Please don't go far. Because we are actively investigating this matter and we need you to be available whenever the police requires your presence. Just a moment. Yes, good afternoon. No, she's not under arrest. Alright. No problem. She's leaving shortly, so you can send him in. Chantel, you're free to go. As I said, please stay nearby, alright?
I don't understand why I need to surrender the documents. I am fine to surrender the documents. Even though I seem nonchalant, I am worried about him. I just afford my composure because of the business.
Chantel, this is a police matter. So, you do as you're told. and we'll proceed with the investigation.
It's fine. Okay.
Have a good day now.
Yes, sir. I already have some questions to me. What's this about?
This afternoon, you are?
Jeremy Hardy.
Okay. So, Mr. Hardy, I don't understand why you're here to bail Miss Chantel when she wasn't arrested or charged.
Because she's a part of the company, and if I'm me in charge of them, so me responsible for anybody and you come lock her up because of some misunderstanding, right?
Mr. Hardy, you know that you and Miss Chantel, you guys are what?
I'm my sister-in-law.
Your sister, you sure about that?
I mean, then I'm my brother, woman.
You sure you're not involved with the sister-in-law, sir?
No, officer, man. I never do that, man. I look my brother, woman, man. I don't do them, nothing, man.
Mr. Hardy, something is happening here, you know, and I can't put my finger to it. But you have a story, Chantel have a story, and something is happening with this family, you know. I'm not sure, you know, but somebody need to come clean.
All right, officer. Let me level with us, see? Between me, it shouldn't even, no police should even get involved. I'll make me tell my sister, say, if you leave it alone, have it under control. Because the real truth and fact is, those are right. You understand? They don't know anything set. It's just a misunderstanding. What Bruce say, from a hotel, a pull out with a new woman. But you don't know, you can't make Chantel know.
So
Yes,
you have proof of this?
Yeah, man, we have proof, man. You see there? Yeah. So they pretty brown in, right? I want a good brother. I just so sorry for the waste of time on this.
Mr. Hardy, you do not know that this is a very serious matter and you people cannot be wasting the police time, you know.
No, man, I just nothing woman, nothing.
No, sir. So, listen to me. I need Mr. Hardy to give me a call. You understand?
Alright.
So, you tell him to give me a call so that we can resolve this matter immediately.
Alright.
Or else we're going to charge him.
No,
Or we're
man.
going to charge all of you guys, you know, for wasting government resources, you know.
No, man, tomorrow he might come back, man. Tomorrow he might leave the hotel. So
Just have him call me, Mr. Hardy.
Alright.
Good?
Alright. But as I say, sorry for the misunderstanding.
No problem, man. You guys sort no family issues.
Yeah, man. I just want to look at this understanding. So we say, I'm good for God,
Yeah,
man.
man, you're good to go, man.
Alright. Yo, I say, yo, the police boy, they see man, yo, I don't know. Yo, God no. Just want Bruce hurry up, come take back in place. Because I'm tired of them and foolish, just saying. I can't ask if I look me, I look you. Just...
Wait the Jeremy. Oh, what you mean by you just want to hurry up and come? Oh, that's so and so.
Did
What's
they just said that a while ago?
They just said that. What you not tell me, Jeremy?
Alright, let me tell you the truth. And this is a living truth, I tell you. But our uncle, we come from foreign, but when he come here, he don't normally want nobody to know saying there. So through Bruce, he carry on something for Bruce. Bruce go link him. You understand? So I add that. So I'm just... That's
Jeremy,
something that...
that sounds sensible to you? Yeah? That makes sense? Jeremy, where your brother do?
Alright. But I know, you know, there's something about you just always get out till... Alright. Chantel, promise I won't tell him, say I'm telling you.
I can't promise.
Because look, I show me rate you and respect you, make me tell you this, you know. I'm in the normal do this, yeah. You understand? But Bruce, alright, man. I just stress. I know you see, you know, my brother, you know, years I know him, I just stress and he just gone cool out at one hotel. He meet one girl and he gone to one hotel. He gone cool out. He's supposed to did for text along. He should have been back already. So that's why I'm there done. That's why I'm there trying to tell us, don't worry yourself. In soon come back. That's why nothing to do him. But you never really want to get involved.
Jeremy, it no matter how long it take. You tell me say my man up and beat with woman while me run off in business.
Then because he love you and respect you and he say you have a head, that's why he left you in that business. I rate him and love you. look, no matter.
Jeremy,
Look.
that no make sense.
Nobody make you mash up the thing, man. You notice which party carry girl gone and left you? He left you with the business. And
What that
carry
say?
girl.
So me supposed to go on and have the business same way? Yeah?
Tell me that if you do. If I don't, you just swear you can get that.
Just watch how can they go make the business go down. Just watch. Me I leave you and your sister for run off the business for RD because I'm not doing it. Me don't want no kind of obligation. Me there say because I love you know.
Yes.
And look what kind of stress the sister put me under.
Then that's why if you stay, man, and just give him a chance.
That's why I'm not gonna stay because it's not worth it. It's not worth it, Jeremy. This don't make sense.
We're just sorry, say, he man have just a nice man and then I'll just make it just mess up so. Eh? Look how nice, look how
You saying tail until you lose it.
But what next man don't want a man, another man we take up here now.
Hey, baby.
Hardy, what is this?
What?
What is this? It's saying that you're missing. Your brother and sister and your girlfriend is looking for you. Please explain yourself.
Well, me not missing.
Hardy, obviously I know that, but what is this? It's saying my baby businessman missing. Kindly explain yourself.
Alright, let me just come clean, cause it don't make no sense me continue like you, cause I really enjoy myself with you, and I really like you, and I really don't want to mess this up. So let me just tell you the truth. I never really tell my family or nobody when I'm gone.
Why wouldn't you just tell them that you're on vacation with me? And what do you mean, girlfriend? Who is that?
That is the reason why I never really tell you. Yeah, me have a girlfriend and she run off the store. But me go left her. Me never know say I don't really enjoy myself with you so much. And me never know say I don't really feel the way how me feel about you. To be honest.
You lied to me.
Me not do it on purpose. Me never mean to. And me would love a
All
chance.
the passionate love that we made, Hardy, all this time you had somebody?
She's not the one. She's not the one.
And how am I supposed to know that? You could be lying as well.
No, I truth, man. This a time I not tell no lie. A matter of fact, I never even know say I reach out blow out a proportion like this and reach for the media.
It's going to be very hard for me to trust you, you know.
I know, but trust is something that we can build back.
How?
Kim, just listen. I can fix this. I can make it up to you.
How are you going to make it up to me?
I don't know right now, but I'll find a way to make it up to you.
Hardy, after all this time and this passionate weekend that we've had together, you had someone? I don't know if I can do this, Hardy. I'm so sorry.
Yo, Jeremy. Yo, where everybody there?
Oh, you just a come?
Bro, me never saw no left store. Anybody can just walk in and take up anything they want, you know. What happened? Where everybody there?
Brother, ask Candy where everybody there.
What you mean if you ask Candy where everybody there?
Dog. Since I left here, man. It's like say Candy just, I don't know what happened. It's like say, I share run things for you gone. Anytime I left out there, and me notice I should do it anytime in a shop. By the time I go out and come, he fire Juta. By the time I go out and come back again, I Chantel and police, me see I come out here.
Chantel, what police are come out with Chantel for?
Candy no call police, brother. Cause look, I say I gone in a dog. When a big man levels in a dog, I want foolish to say, man. I'm sure me can't cuss bad out there. Brother, you tell me say you go for 3 days, dog, and you overdo it, man.
So, bro, me can't go for 3 days and left in the front of the store.
Brother, remember say, the people them think say I'm missing a dog, when I'm missing a man. oh, you're for missing, and then me no put out no search party for your name. That look good.
And then you know something not missing, something think you have everything under control.
Brother, if we all think the serious my youth, can they send on Popeye? You think big all that thing up on Popeye news. Me all I did me I said, Jesus Christ. Oh, we are gonna get out of that one you know.
Alright.
So, and you know how Popeye is staying, Popeye not do no digging in dog. You know, do no properly research, you know.
So you call him and tell him to take it down.
Brother, I call Popeye and tell him, say, yo, the man no missing. I'm a want woman girl up, so but not too load up the thing and say, oh.
Alright. Alright, so you have me enjoy myself still. I don't want to talk about that still. But where Candy dey?
Candy gone for lunch, brother. Candy, brother, you need to talk to Candy, because Candy, brother, it's like, see when customer come in a dog, the people them know nobody not to buy from. Why you not to sell nothing, you know?
No yourself, man. I'm our sister, but me I forgot let him go. I my money.
You up on yard, brother. But I tell you, come like, Fanny come out of jail and me go bail him out. Fanny go up in left side, gone up on yard, he not come out down here.
Alright, yo.
I'm in the rang him. Cause me fit in a store and then your sister behave so with me. We can't, me no want.
Alright, yo. Next time we know of the angry thing, is me.
Yo, watch it out. I did meet one girl other day that what she
I don't want to hear about that, you know.
She come in and like one of them boxes.
No.
After me look out for yourself,
No,
say I come
understand that, but it's true enough free for y'all and just we take up everything and give it. Me sort out one woman, that's enough. You know what I'm blocking his store. So you are.
So we can't get to a vacation now.
When we start out and hire back few people, you can get a vacation.
Alright.
Alright, but me gonna talk to Candy. Alright?
Alright, so. I want me to do overtime, you know.
I want to talk to you. Come on, just stop acting like a ghost, you see, man.
How you did there?
Me gone for vacation, what happened?
Vacation, me not understand. So how you just gone so you not tell none of we?
Jeremy know, so don't worry about that. And a matter of fact, who want make you take yourself, go and put it on Papa News, so me missing?
Jeremy no. So that's why I matter about everything under control.
Me not talk about that. Me ask you, who want make you put in my name on Papa News, so me
Then
missing?
if you miss now you're my brother, I me not see her come back. Me no must put it on Popeye. Cause me need to find out if
But
there's something wrong with you.
Jeremy tell us everything under control, what happened?
Me need to go take for him talk because you're missing. You not call nobody, you not get in touch with nobody, you not tell who when you are going. Me not understand. Me can't take for him talk.
Alright, you are going, you know. Because me get to understand, say, it's a bag of things you've been at the while, me not there, you know. You fire Chantel, no matter if you don't fire Chantel, you make Chantel get locked up. You fire Jutta and do all sort of sitting there. But you know good for me business. You're not good for me business, man.
So you put your woman over me.
Me not put nobody over you.
First of all, you're wrong from the beginning. You left out and not tell me say you're gone. That's the reason why you catch Pan Popeye.
Alright, you what Candy. Me love you. I am my sister and everything. But to be honest, you behave too much, man. Me have to go let you go. I'm sorry. Me have to go let you go. But sorry, if there's anything we can help you with or anything, we're willing to do it.
You have to go pay me up for the time when I work here still. And a little bit of work, me work there, so else me I go a labor board. Me serious.
So Candy, are they say you take it?
Yes. You take it far and where me expect. I mean, not with me friend, me can't see you, so you talk about if I this
So hold on, me ask you. You want me pay you up? You pay up all the people when you fire?
Are you fi pay them up? You hire them.
Then how you fire them?
Because me indeed in charge when you gone. Me think say you missing.
Alright. Me gonna pay you up. But if I say you take it, no problem. So me pay you up.
And when you go pay me, come ready for left right now.
So hold on, you want pay right now?
All you?
No, don't get me mixed up, you know.
You they call up people name behind them back and I make me a phone call and that's Sykes. You did know everything, but everything good man about me and our brother and sister.
Alright.
Okay, tell me when me can come back for my money, come ready for go
Alright,
right now. No plan.
Come back a morning. You put together your money and pay up. You don't have to call on rent board. I mean labor board. You don't have to call labor board. So come back for your pay morning.
Make sure you say you give me my money. Good at me.
Jeremy. Forward. Yo, Jeremy, man, take time. You think I'm going to mash a glass, man? Yo, you are going. When you put out it on the internet, so we're going to need some new workers. You hear?
New workers.
Yeah, we want some new people for work. Let's see if we can get back Chantel. Chantel. Chantel.
Bruce, where you want?
Yeah, you're long pussy. Come here, man.
Don't touch me. Long pussy who?
What happened? What get on, sir?
What you mean? A joke you take me for?
What do you mean by that?
You come here to talk to me or you come for smiling on my face? I don't understand.
Yeah, but me I say if you're not long pussy me.
No, why would I long to see you? You don't make a decision and do what you do, why you feel like I'm up here and miss you. Why you come up here?
What do you mean by that?
Oh, you even know I'm up a mommy.
Then if you go yard, I'm gonna see on a day leave. Where you must stay? What happened? What happened?
What happened? No, you tell me what happened. Why you feel like it is necessary for run off for a couple of days, not even one, hey, you're good?
I never something planned. It just happened, man. It just never came my phone.
It just happened for you miss it for a couple of days, you don't have your phone and I want woman you're dead with.
Where you get that say woman?
Yeah, man, me know everything. Me know.
Where you get that from?
You don't have to worry about that, me know.
Well, alright, me not gonna lie to you, because it don't make no sense me lie. Yeah, I did want woman, but me apologize. I just want one time something it not gonna happen again.
Oh, this is an apology?
Yeah, me I tell you I'm sorry about what happened, man. I never something planned. It just happened.
This not gonna work. Like me being up here, moving out of the house and all, this and me I say me done. You can't expect me to stay with you after everything what you do. When you take me up your business is alright, you know, but me bringing millions. Something where your sister then never did I do. All them do is disrespect your customer, them and run everybody. Me come help you build your business and this is the payback.
Alright. As I said, I'm sorry about what happened. Can't we just move past this and go back to how things was?
Act like you're a big man with sense. This makes sense to you? Alright. Put yourself in my position, right? Me go away with one man and me come back and this and me apologize to you. Hey, I'm sorry. You accept that?
Alright. Me not even know if you answer. But anyway, you come back
No. First of all, your sister don't like me one bit. The amount of disrespect when me got you trying to manage the business when you decide to you go with woman. And your brother keep me going down there, say no. Him are the only welcoming one. Your sister put me through hell. While you are stressing me out, me don't know which part you the police me. You didn't know so me get locked up, right?
Yeah, me hear about you. I'm sorry about that too.
Me get locked up in you while you enjoy yourself, you know. I'm supposed to forgive you for that? Why? You feel like no man no want me? You don't feel like me can do better than this?
So what is supposed to mean?
Bruce, me done. Go on where you go. Don't come back up here.
Alright. Alright, so you might be wondering where Stay West is located in Montego Bay. We're going to make it very easy for you. We're going to give you a little, direction on camera where you can find it. Alright? Stay West.
At Richard Brown's Films, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you. So if you're in need of a professional photo and video services, look no further. Call the number on the screen. Guess what? You can get to meet some of your favorite actors and actresses at your event. If you never knew, now you know. Pick up the phone and call us today to book your special event.
It seems as he's not here.
So what if this man is dead?
Hopefully he's not there.
Hopefully Cross is the day.
Yeah, but he said that. You can like don't say that. Because I hope not.
Yeah.
You got to be so natural between
Man. Between me and you as a police, rules good, isn't it?
Police, yeah, police.
Like,
Look at that, more police.
As a brother to brother. As a man to man.
No, this is not man to man either.
No.
No, man. He alright, he says police to police. Police.
But think you jump to that too quick.
No, man, me that never do that, man. Me respect that little girl to the ground where she walk, man.
Eh?
Based on all the questioning between.
And we need help. Somebody who is computer literate.
No man, not computer literate who goes to school and has 8 subjects. Unlike you, unlike Jeremy, where I had no subject, and unlike you, where
No, me not like them, me don't something. Me not sound so disgusting. Me I say.
No man, she get 1 in every subject.
No, so listen, Candy, I know who you stay. I don't want you to show her any bad face. We need somebody like her with brain.
So we not no brain. So that me I say think we a crab.
I really tell you. Yeah, me have a girlfriend and she a run off the store. But me go left her.
Come again.
Ready? Don't piss a man. Ready now?
Ready then?
Just with time.
Done with him. Wanted, done with him.
You know what? I deserve better. I deserve better, Hardy.
I can't tell, so you have to make it up to me.
I'm gonna get up to you. You to a fridge. You go fridge.
Joke.
Yeah, man. So beat her somebody, Candy. You can't shut up, but beat her somebody. So beat her somebody.
I'm going to think we can take over the place, yeah, man, brother.
Yeah, man, you're going too far. Ready now?
Alright, go. Name to you again. You hear me until you come in and like her. So, all my boot papa sake of this again.
Candy tip out that whole boot. Fuck, Candy.
Oh, a piece of anger, that's right.
So,
And me come here already, but when me come here, nobody never there. And if me left, I go for my lunch early.
right.
Ready?
You know,
Which is right.
yeah, we know.
Action.
Look how much time she come here late and you not say nothing.
All right.
Tell a long time, say me have a next friend for give you. That girl they a thief. That girl they a criminal that take you and take your money.
This is hard.
All right.
Come. Tell a long time.
We take with me. That's your laugh.
Right now, I'm stressed out. I come to file one report about me missing brother. So, Missing person or my brother?
You say your brother missing.
Jeremy. Brother, wake up, man.
Amen.
God, come on, Dad, come. Come on. Amen. Ready. Mm-hmm. Ready now, Jeremy?
What's your name now?
Bruce Hardy.
Okay, Mr. Hardy.
Me never tell him. Oh, so me never tell him. No, that can't.
No, but me I go ask you. When you tell me say I go make one and I get me like, what's your name?
Oh, Bruce Hardy. I'm what you want me call you night?
Hmm.
Kerry.
Bruce?
Bruce Hardy.
Alright, Mr. Hardy.
All right. So all right. So what these are. Right. So you know, Alton. Yeah, man. So what I can do for you, I can probably charge you for that, but I can give you the microwave free.
Free.
Yeah, man. Compliment again. Yeah, free. Come on, free.
Free?
I just say go and do.
Yes.
You don't fire practically entire workforce.
Come.
All right, Chantel.
People losing work and this is.
No, listen, Josh.
Wait, that's what you have to say, man. You say good, man. You're good.
Ready?
Come now.
Josh, you go say she want to go to police station and report.
Bruce, me just chat to her while ago. I said
No, wicked.
Listen, it's fine. Go back to work.
Yeah, wow, there.
We can't bother you. Can't bother you.
So Jay, you say that again. Say you be over. You're right.
Why?
You think we should have reported it?
No, you don't say over report it.
What do you mean report it? Is that serious? It's not that
You
serious.
start to worry.
Yeah,
Okay.
start worried. Start pull out.
So why am I not report it? Shipment then come, I don't know what's going on. Alright, so we can't look at it on
Look,
face.
me don't want to get in no business. Where?
Yo, so this ready?
Wait.
Girl, I know you me and talk to.
For the disappearance of Mr. Brian.
Okay, but
Pull up.
Mr. Brian.
Bruce Hardy.
Bruce Hardy.
Yeah.
No touch me. Me not come now. You're thinking I saw for you.
A papa in New Zealand have a pan in the seat.
Yo, papa.
The one that's tough.
Lisa.
Chantel, my friend.
Chantel.
Lisa. Chantel.
Yeah, Chantel.